this. Alrighty, this is my level. Let's see here. Alrighty, let's go ahead and start trying to do this level here. On just a little lower resolution, just because it makes it a little less laggy for me down here. Alright. Andrew, obviously you can edit this part out. So when I get to here, alrighty, let's start the level. Trigger opens the door, we come in here, closes behind us. Oh, lag. Alright, now there's a bunch of different collectibles around here, cash and whatnot, and one of them is supposed to be a trigger to open a door. This is the one that we need. Yay, door opened! You come through here, in the same situation, the door closes behind you, and you have to find the key card. The key card's in here. What's that to the left? Oh, well, turns out it's just health. But right here to the right is the winner. Alright, let's see if we can get it to work here. Okay. Yay! Open the door again. As we go through here, next door. Alright, we're going to go, just to save some time here, we'll do it a little quickly. That water is electrified, so you will get hurt. And obviously, there's more health over here to try and counteract that. This box is what we use to get up on here. But sometimes it can be difficult, even with this, especially with this lag, I mean. And so what we're going to do, oops, turn you around here. We're just going to float in God mode up here. That way we can get to it. You get over here, inspect with E. Now you got 3 options. I'm just going to, for the sake of time again, the right one is 2. You seem to be true. Look at that. We got a conduit over here that we're supposed to take this corrosive that we find and put it on the conduit, blows it up, and then it opens the door. Come out here. Oh no, it locks behind us again. And you find your way through here. There'll be a couple triggers, probably in a much different setup, to open a couple locks to get through this gate over here at the very end. And that will be the very end of my level, going into the next one.